that we are displaying the subscription, it's time now to allow the user to manage the subscription, and also if they are making any changes in the Stripe end, like they're canceling their subscription by going to Stripe and then canceling. So we will be able to capture that as well and update our database accordingly. What we need to do is over here is when user clicks on this manage subscription, we need to listen to the events associated with this particular thing. And if you remember, we have the webhooks created for this purpose. Like if you go to developers, webhooks, and here you'll find that we had created this ng-rock mapping. And here we have the updated, created, and deleted. These three subscription events we are listening to. Now, if I go to subscriptions, you'll notice that I am having an active subscription, the monthly subscription over here. And here, the same is being displayed. Now, let's put it side by side. So what we will be doing now is we'll be ensuring that our ng-rock is running, and we will be capturing the deleted event as well. So here, when I go in and say cancel, so here I'm trying to cancel my subscription immediately. Click on cancel subscription. This is going to put a post request to our API Stripe hooks that we created. And here you can see in the dashboard, it says not subscribed. And the link now says manage subscription. So here we are getting it in real time. And how that is possible? By making use of the Stripe hook. So if I show you the code, all we have done is over here in our Stripe hooks, we have added one more condition where we are deleting the subscription, and based on that we are just setting the is subscribed to false and interval to null for that particular Stripe customer.